Yo, what is up, everybody? We are back for more.
Windbreaker.
Last episode, the conflict ended. We ended. Hands was dealt out. Disney magic was sprinkled.
Ended conflict. And then more conflict started. Yahoo!
Oh, yeah. And then
He's like,
Infinity Throat showed up.
Infinity Throat.
Throat goat. Bro, let's see what we got.
The Infinity Gullet.
Infinity Gullet is disgusting. All right, let's jump in. The episode's called After the Storm. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, bro. After all that fighting, bro, niggas talking about some, let's go to the Waffle House, bro. Give my shit to go.
I'm trying to eat.
Give my
Oh,
shit
you're not
to
trying
go,
to hang out
bro.
with
I'm
nobody?
trying to go home, bro.
すずりはこれからよろしくってことでたくさん飲んで食ってくれ乾杯乾杯うちのオリジナルジュースではいはい食べたいのあったら言いなさいね
we have a
取り分けるから
base.
Listen, I promise you, they wouldn't want to beef with me, bro. I'm like, oh, they go out to eat after every fight? Bet. And then I just blow that motherfucker up while they're in
ちょ
there.
っとそれとも何私が取り分けた料理が食べられないってのもそうでは
Bro,
なく
he gripping them tongs.
こんなことがあったのに普通
I'd be like, bro, why these grown people can't leave us kids alone?
お前たちは大丈夫だ
What?
負けたやつの話なんて誰が聞くんだよ中途半端
Crazy thing is that I just realized he's been watching that whole shit go down.
まあでも
Let me see what they're gonna do.
制服も着ていないのに
And Tsubaki knows him.
なんであんたがここにいるのよ楽しい方へ気持ちいい方へ
Yeah, somewhere more fun. It makes me feel better.
死ぬまでの暇つぶし
Yeah, he's definitely a former furry member. Yeah?
First off, you really jump from that high up. You're
That's what
not
I'm saying.
humane.
Our farming can go wrong.
No way! No way! He said that shit actually hurt.
Yo, I'm so glad they did that.
Oh
I'm
man,
so glad
that was
they did
fucking
that.
hilarious.
よくものうのうと顔出せたもんだななんだ
Or he kill someone?
久しぶりの再会だったのに
Yeah, the love is
Bro.
crazy.
I'll suck you all up.
違うじゃないか
Oh. Hey, listen, I was close.
That was close.
Yo,
Bro, you should have like
he's so Korean
split
incarnate.
shins right now, bro.
こいつらは関係ない二人で話をさせてくれ場所を変えようあんただったのね今回の黒幕は
He just wanted them to fight.
すがいきなり出てきて誰なんだてめえはちゃんと後輩に紹介してくれよ困ってるじゃねえか
Oh god.
Former
Exposition.
leader.
Exposition dump.
私と同じ世代の元風流生遠藤大和遠藤
So that just make you freak out. He said former.
Because, I mean, he's a problem.
有名人だよ
Oh, that's what it is.
He probably killed some. Did he kill somebody?
照れるじゃないの何何が伝説だ
We'll find out.
Yeah.
Nigga, are you even the main character anymore, bro?
Right?
About to whoop your ass.
ダメじゃねえか町の英雄ともあろう風鈴がそんな言葉使っちまったらそうかおめえは策に行ったんだなケールとやり合った連中の中にいたな
Yeah, you fake beat me up.
全部さくらお前みたいのは風鈴にいていい人間じゃない
He's like, I just got over that. I was just getting over that.
そんなことあるわけないさくらさん
You know, the trembling.
めっちゃ声裏返ってんの
Yo,
さ
this guy is just. Oh.
Oh.
Bro, they was getting ready to go talk, and then that just went out the window.
Bro, that's the shit that crosses the line. Take it back. The shit that they fight about is crazy. That's what's making you want to swing on him out of everything
He's like,
else.
You're not even from fearing.
Why y'all can't hit him?
Because he's a
He's too
problem.
much.
He's downloaded.
Yo. Oh my god.
Boy, don't go in there. He gonna hit you really fucking hard.
No,
Oh,
he was watching what he was doing.
俺はそいつをけなしてるわけじゃない。逆よ逆。勝ってんの。
He doesn't belong with you guys. Oh,
Yo.
oof. He's wasting his time with you freaks.
That's probably what it sounds like in English.
He should go off on his own. Do his own thing.
Stop. Nigga, pain?
Yeah, pain.
Come.
You'll fight 5 people?
Yes. He said.
They found. I still give him the fact that they found out he orchestrated a whole event that caused a street war. Oh.
We're back where we started.
どうでもいいわけがない。今起きてることの元を正せば、あんたがここへ来たのは、
That's
俺
his
の状況
brother?
を確認するためだろ。こいつらに迷惑をかけるわけにはいかない。頼む。
Oh, this is not gonna go well.
引いてくれ。俺が取る。
This is not gonna go well.
Oh.
すずり、逃げなさい。
ここまで気合入ってるのはそうねえぜ。
He's gonna hit him.
土下座。
Yo, back
Yeah,
again.
he's gonna hit him.
Oh, we gotta kick him in the face.
全部チャラにしてやるよ。
Wait, what?
ちょろっと戻せば。どういうつもりだ。
Yeah.
Interesting.
あ？別に。
あんたは昔からそういうやつよね。
爆笑したらなんかない
It's clear that he cares about the one that
Yeah,
found him.
Suzuri.
またな。
And he was watching from above to make sure he didn't get hurt.
佐藤君
Why are you?
Why?
Oh
He's
boy.
about to get knocked out.
Oh.
Yeah, stop it.
どうぞ。
Stop it.
Damn, aura.
深追いはダメよ。
Yeah, he knew he was about to get his ass whooped. That's why he
一
stopped.
年生なんだから。
Literally.
But it's like they kept calling a ceasefire, then you keep trying to attack him. Like, what? Leave him alone. Just let him go.
俺のせいで、あいつと揉める形になってしまった。本当に。なんと言っていいか。
なんでお前に謝られなきゃいけねえんだよ。お前がいたからだってんだろ。だからなんだ。あいつが来たことにイラついてんじゃねえ。あいつにイラついてんだ。そっちの方がムカつく。
Yeah.
考えたらまたイライラしてきた。長さんくださん。すずりが気にすることなんてないわ。料理が冷めちゃうでしょ。早く食べな。
Eat and stop asking questions.
Now,
The karage busting, ain't it?
they all looking at him like, yeah, how's the food?
Why?
I haven't had a proper meal in
Well, nigga been surviving on fucking cookie crumbs.
Hey, bro, how much left in that Chips Ahoy bag? We got enough for the night.
Fucking powder.
You know, I'm sitting there eating famous English cookies while someone gave us
Famous.
なんだったの？あったんじゃないの？それって何？ゲーム。ゲーム。やるぞ。
That's a whole switch.
やるじゃない。
Alright.
Yeah,
Nintendo finna come take y'all lunch. Keep fucking around. Yeah.
Oh no, Panda Card? Bro, they're playing 4-player Panda Card.
I know Nintendo said they're going to come kick in this animation studio doors, bro.
Bro, the Switch control, bro.
Hey.
俺、やったことね。
そうだったんですね。 これがブレ
Yo,
ーキ
he about to have a bad time. Yep, already. That's what I said.
Yo,
He about to have
me
a
as
bad
fuck, bro.
time.
Me. Yo, that's
He's
me.
about to be upset. He never
10
played.
streak. Good
Why you let him
Lord.
lose that many times in a row?
You already know how he is.
10 loss streak.
He does not take losses well at all.
もう一つはねそってね
You're breaking
Okay, he's gonna
controller.
get better.
何回で
I
も
respect it.
勝ち逃げは許さねえぞ
He's not at the point we just gonna let you win.
Them showing how uncomfortable it is to hold a fucking Joy-Con like a controller.
梅には伝えたわ
遠藤が風鈴に突っかかるのはわかるけど、桜自体に興味を持つのは
And he's trying to take him under his wing.
買ってんの
覗いてね
I shall show you
ちゃん
gangs
と気
pain.
かけてやれよ。どんなちょっかいかけられるかわからねえからな。
もちろんよ
またお前か。
そう言わないであげて今回は私のせいよ
なんでこんなにいるんだよ。
He's like, yeah, we need our
ま
best
あ座
guys.
んなさい
たく、しゃあねえな。
さくらさんそれだけですか四天王を含め幹部の人たちが集まってるってことはそれだけのことだって意味ですよねあらもう全員いる感じか全然大丈夫よ
寝坊でもしたのかな。
Thank you. Everybody doesn't need a fucking quip.
朝早くからありがとな
I'm here.
始めますか
My nigga, you were supposed to be sitting across from me. Showing up extra late.
That was a fun little episode.
Yep.
Meeting John
Yo.
has begun. We're gonna be at the table for the next like 6 episodes.
Yeah, it's not slime.
Oh, God.
Listen,
I was joking.
yo, Infinity Throat showed up. Former furry member, like I
He even
suspected.
did the outline to it.
Yeah.
It was crazy. He's like, yeah.
This world
You
shall
gotta
no
feel these
suck.
chords.
They remember me for a reason.
Stop.
Alright, enough.
Listen, it's not our fault. I didn't draw a fucking infinity symbol on this nigga's throat. I'm gonna keep making them jokes. Listen, you have to be very intentional about neck tattoos, bro.
Yeah.
No, he was very intentional about that when he even outlined
He
it
outlined it.
on
Yeah.
his neck. He's
You know
like,
what time
yeah,
it was.
you're gonna
I mean, I don't know what time it is, but he knows. It's infinity time, whatever that means. So.
It's infinity time. Yo,
He said he was ready
Enough.
for play.
man.
He was ready for
Fucking
playtime.
wind tunnel
Enough.
ass throat.
Anyways.
All right,
Jumping off the
let's
roof and
see.
hurting his legs
Let's
was
see.
hilarious.
Oh, that was funny as hell.
Oh,
Because I was literally making jokes
bro.
about it, and then they're
he
like,
said,
"Yeah, no."
damn, that actually hurt. Bro, them shit's gone, bro. Yo, that's why he didn't want to fight, bro. His shit was cracked.
Yo, I gotta,
Small
okay.
hairline
I
fracture
gotta go to the
throughout
hospital.
the leg. He's
Yeah.
on his way to urgent
You
care.
know what? You know what? That's good enough. He walked around the corner on
Shit.
Chris. They kinda like,
And he walked around the corner to scream, bro. He's like, oh shit, all 5 of them was about to dodge me. Nah, I gotta go.
well, let's see what this is about.
Fuck.
So that's it for this episode. On until the next, as always, like, subscribe, follow on all socials. YaBoyRoshi, subscribe, channel,
What's going on? Subscribe.
Anyway.
check out the merch link to that is down below. But that's all we got for you guys today. Hope you have a great day. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.